of the number where the woman take the talk, wait till you see. This one now be saying na me again. No. This one now be saying na pastor wey come up for church. This one na wife we see things with the eye. Those one never watch with the woman take the talk. Oh yeah. Not to the worry now. Oh yeah,
just listen. I don't even see the reason doing that. But let me just say this. This man, the major reason because he's a gay. He's involved in homosexuals, he's bisexuals and all that. But that is not even a problem. It has something to do with where their fraternity.
Okay.
Sleeping with his fellow men. When I discovered this, I cried. Excuse me, somebody calling me. When I discovered it, I cried. I said, which one you activities? You everything. See, there's nothing in you that a woman can enjoy. Now, this one is man. Again, what is this? I said, what is this one again? You are involved in every single thing. Now, what is this one? Because he has a phone. That phone, I went into that phone, I discovered a lot. I was crying. I asked him. He said I should get out. Since I refused to help him, that I am the one keeping him in this condition. I was the one keeping him in this condition. That I don't want his growth in the ministry. I said, what does that have to do with my question? I discovered that he's into homosexual. If you see pictures of men, if you see messages of his fellow men, texting his fellow men, most of those men that are clergy, that's where my mouth got. I said, how do I even start explaining this? If eventually I step out of this marriage to talk, who will believe me? Who will believe me? What is this? That was what happened to his anus. We ended up because as a man, you know where they used to choke. That was what ended us in the hospital. I helped him. We rushed okay, when this thing started, he didn't tell me. We're about to finish the skeleton of the ancestor or what. He was in pain. I was asking him what was wrong. He couldn't say. I said, I don't know. I started praying for him. I said, what was it? He couldn't say. Until when he was pooing, he shouted, ironic. But I saw pause. I said, what is this? I said, no, we're going to the hospital. We visited Asabaskan hospital. Firstly, he refused to go to the hospital. Okay, I met in contact with another. I said, he refused to go. I said, why didn't you want to go to the hospital? He said, no, that he know what to do about it. I said, okay. He said, first, let's stop this program first because he can no longer take the pain. I said, okay, we announced to the church that the program will no longer hold. Then we started from inside. We started from inside. We visited a doctor first, by name Dr. Francis, in that FMC. He said that the doctor is his friend or something. So we visited the man. The man now helped us. It was the man that helped us to arrange to the first clinic where he did his operation. What else do you want me to say? That he is into gay. He is into homosexual. There's a guy. The guy is from Ela. He's selling cars. Currently, he's into the business. Though I don't know much about it. He's selling cars. Yes. I don't know what transpired, but his hand is in it. His hand was in that kidnap. You know, sometimes they will come up with the issue like,
kidnap that guy.
They'll come up with the issue like, sorry?
They kidnapped the man with the car.
They kidnapped the man.
Okay.
And he will now come in turn to tell the world that if I be a man of God, look at the so thing that will happen. But he will be the person pioneering the whole thing just to get a amount of money. Maybe he has done everything in his possible best to collect a particular car from that person. And maybe the guy now maybe is not responding fine. They will put tricks. Yes, they will put tricks. This one happened before me. They buried something under that place where that man was selling that car. He was answering call, he was making call. I know the people there, even the people that buried that thing. I know, I have their number. They will just bury something and he will prophesy over that thing. And that particular car, that place where they buried that thing, they'll go and bring it out. The car that will be on top of that thing, that you must give him that particular car. That's how he's using that. Is what that was that name of that fish or that red car again. I've forgotten the name. So sorry. So many things are coming up. I'm trying to organize myself to so many things. There are so many things. They will arrange everything. Everything they do is well organized. You'll be coming to the ministry. You think that ministry doesn't know you. He has boys all over. The people that monitor your relationship, monitor your home, monitor your kitchen, giving him feedback, monitor your alert account, monitor your bank. They will come, he will ask you, how much do you have in your account? Why are you asking them how much they have in their account? They will know how much is in your account. They will try to make it to know if you are saying the truth. These people are heartless. You make me do things, man. You make me do things. Are you kidding me?
Not be me, like he make you do things, but the way you say you make me. God bless
No,
me.
he made me do things. No, this no, it's not funny.
Woman, the woman say even some angel we God they send, they come the church. They call the fear to come make not dagger them. They call this now from road, they call they use this mic where they preach for money. They just say, God say, may you repent to because he can dagger anything. This guy says the dagger fire. He said the church, okay. Tuesday, but I'm not gonna talk then. No, the way they look me, gonna be like, now your ex-wife, now they talk her. These are what you do. Asaba. Now just this, all the church goer. You just give them, oh, Father, touch me. I touch you, start wearing her. Oh, Father, those of them, they give pastor. He said, no, you're going to, not be saying that me, you're going to give, you understand what I mean? When they give an uncle to pastor, they say they take on a star. You understand? When they live wayward life, later on, they say, oh, John, see what you done my life too. When you carry your mekus, you understand? You more the pastor. Then they use that, they collect people wife. Those of them, they allow your wife, they go do things. They say they bury the church full, even bury the ground. Cemetery, they learn for bury. We take don't bury for the church. So I go release the full interview. If they carry rush, I don't go release them. The full interview, almost 1 hour, 20 minutes. So that I go educate now. Of waiting this. Put the woman, remove dagger, no dust. Less dagger. You can dagger, and they talk about the man, remove her. And the woman say, you go bring more things, evidence day. And those of them now where they say, we not turn and say, not go your church, not do anything. But those that have it here, let them hear according to John chapter. You understand? He did Bible, no, they go straight to analysis, okay?